Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shay and today I'm going on a road trip from Leh to Santa Barbara. I found a dreamy winery farm a while ago and had it on my list, and I finally get to check it out. Can't wait to take you along. We are driving up the scenic route towards Santa Ynez Valley. It's about a 2.5-hour drive from Leh, and honestly the views along the way already make it worth it. Oh my god, look at these hills. I'm already obsessed. Rolling hills, open fields, and that fresh coastal breeze is the perfect escape from the city. The winery we're visiting is called Hills Winery. It's just 30 minutes from the ocean, making it a perfect first stop on our way to wine country. Folded Hills produces award-winning small batch handcrafted wines, all made with as little intervention as possible. I'm in love with places like this. Farms, vineyards, all the nature vibes, and if there is wine too, count me in. So here we are, and look at this place. Isn't it beautiful? It's not just a winery, it's also a peaceful ranch surrounded by nature. Okay, I'm so obsessed. They even have farm animals. How cute is that? It feels so warm and authentic, like you step right into a countryside dream. Okay, time for my favorite part, wine tasting. There's something special about their wines. It's like tasting the spirit of the valley, which makes every sip feel so special. Cheers to slow moments, pretty views, and delicious wine. I tried two of their wines, the 2022 State White and 2022 August White. Since I'm obsessed with white wines, I had to go for these, and both were absolutely amazing. I leave the details of each wine right here on the screen. Their wines are all organic and made with native yeast, so they really keep the character of the land. They're bright, fresh, and super easy to sip, with delicate floral notes, soft fruit, and a clean, elegant finish. Honestly, I could stay here forever. Sun on my face, cool breeze, and a glass of something amazing in my hand. This is giving main character vibes, and I'm here for it. This was such a beautiful escape from the city, and if you're ever near Santa Barbara, I definitely recommend stopping by Folded Hills. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more cozy adventures. Till next sip. Bye!